pull the wires out.
Yeah, I guess. Or maybe this thing's...
Whack it with that stick. Seriously. Whack
Watch
that.
your feet.
Whack it. Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What exactly is beeping? Is it that part? It's down there now. Oh my god. It's totally a ghost. Look at that.
Let's go. Good volume.
No.
That was this thing.
All right, that's that. Smash that.
It's got a nail in it. We'll just take it outside. Okay. We'll just throw it in the dumpster.
All right, let's listen. Let's see if it comes on now. That might have been the only one. Holy balls, what was that?
Stop. Don't do that to me.
Did you hear it?
Yes. Oh my god. Okay. Stop. If you try to wait for me, you're dead. Hey, y'all are laughing so much. I don't know if I'm gonna come out there.
Hold on, I don't even hear any beeping anymore.
That's a truck. Yeah, let's listen.
Damn it, where is that coming? It still sounds like this one. I hear a baby crying. I think baby died. Now it sounds like it's over there. Now it sounds like it's in here. Oh! Is she fucking with us down there? I swear to God.
I'm gonna go for cut out for this. Okay.
Where's Paulette?